Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how easy to make homemade hummus, which is better than store-bought. So let's start with the recipe. For this I have soaked chickpeas overnight and boiled for 1 to 2 whistles. If you want to use canned chickpeas, that is fine as well. Once the chickpeas are boiled, I will take out the shells of the chickpeas in order to get smooth texture of the hummus. You don't have to do it much here because it's already separated from the chickpeas. The important thing after you strain chickpea is to keep leftover water because we will use that one in a little bit. So now I am adding strained chickpeas in the blender, 2 cloves of garlic and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Add salt as per the taste. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of tahini sauce. If you never used tahini before, it's simple ground sesame seeds which add nutty flavor to the hummus. Now simply grind all this together to get a smooth paste and add little leftover water from the chickpeas to get a smooth paste. Look at the texture of the hummus, it is so smooth. Place few spoonful of hummus on a plate and use your back of spoon to smooth it out. Top it with the olive oil and sprinkle some red chili powder or cayenne pepper. And your hummus is ready to enjoy. When it comes to healthy snack, I love hummus. It's not only good option for dip, but it is delicious in sandwiches, wrap and other recipes. I hope you like my today's recipe. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.